Hello everyone, in this video we'll talk about different kinds of scholarships available in Tongji University, China. We can see here there are scholarships like Marine Scholarship of China, Tongji University and Bank of China Global Talent Scholarship, Shanghai Municipal Government Scholarship, Chinese Government Scholarship, High Level Postgraduate Programs, and this is the application guide for International Chinese Language Teachers Scholarship. We are now going to take a look at Chinese Government Scholarship High Level Postgraduate Program. Later, I'll make the videos. If you would like me to make the videos about Marine Scholarship of China and this scholarship, then I'll make the videos. You can add the comment in the comment section. In this video, we'll talk about Chinese Government Scholarship High Level Postgraduate Program. So as we can see here, the application qualification, you should be non-Chinese. The maximum age for the applicants for master's degree is 35 and maximum age for the applicants for doctoral degree is 40. Students participating in joint development programs and students studying in their native language or another third country language or literature such as English and French are not eligible. So you are not eligible if you are participating in these programs. No other kind of Chinese government scholarship have been obtained at the same time. Scholarships and standard full coverage on tuition fee, free comprehensive medical insurance, living allowance, postgraduate student 3000 RMB per month and doctoral student will be 3500 RMB per month. Free on-campus accommodation. If on-campus accommodation is full and you need to arrange off-campus accommodation by yourself, then you can apply for off-campus accommodation subsidy. Postgraduate master student, they will provide 700 per month, and for doctoral student, they will provide 1000 per month. Application period. This is the application period and this is the deadline for submitting the application. Application procedure is the applicant must submit an application to the online system. This is the website there. You need to submit your application here. Copy the link and later we'll take a look. On you also need to pay the application fee. Later they will ask how much will be the application fee. The online submission system will not accept, modify or supplementary material after the deadline. The application fee will be 600 RMB. And this is the payment method, how you can pay. After review, the applicant application status will change to waiting for admission. The school will issue the electronic admission notification to the students, to applicants who are waiting for admission in the system. After receiving the notification, applicant should log on to the online system for studying in, and you also need to submit your application to Chinese Government Scholarship, their website. I have made the video how we can apply for Chinese Government Scholarship. I will add the link in the description. You can take a look. These are Chinese start program. These are English start program. You can take a look about these programs. Review and admission process. This is the review and admission process, stepwise process they have mentioned. Other requirements, if you have any question related to visa application form or any other question if you have, you can take a look about that. Like after you will get the scholarship, then how will be the procedure to join the university. And this is their contact information. This is the email address. Yeah, so this is all about how we can apply for, what are the requirements, what is the eligibility and how much with the scholarship coverage. Now these are the programs. You can take a look here. These are the requirements which they have mentioned for master's degree, and similarly these are the requirements which they have mentioned for PhD degree. You can take a look about that, and if you will have any questions related to that, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll answer to your question. These are the documents which they need. You can take a look: personal statement, English proficiency certificate, letter of recommendations, physical examination form for foreigners. So they have mentioned all the details here. If you will have any question related to that, you can ask me in the comment section, then I'll respond to that. And this is, you need to first register and then log in and submit your application. This is very easy process of submitting the application, but still if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe to our channel. And yeah, take care and bye bye. I wish you best of luck, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.